Hello, guys, and welcome once again to another section of your Tech Bit. As you know, this is your techie, Caesar A. Ashong, and I'm going to take you through another tech bit that probably you may not have known all this while. So, remember that you're going to follow me and you like and then share my videos. Here on TikTok is just Tech Bit. But if you want to learn something advanced, something that can enhance you a bit more for your career, then please join or subscribe to my YouTube channel where you're going to learn something more career based, advanced, and then you will enjoy it. All right, so quickly, let's just go into our tech bit for the moment. Okay, so what are we going to do today, or what are we going to do now? We are going to do something on converting image to text. Converting image to text, right? What I'm trying to say here is that, do you know that images in a form of photography that most of the time we come across, you can convert them into text without having to type them? All right, so see, look at something. You find an article or maybe a file or a text someone sends to you, and then they take a snapshot. So basically, you would have wanted to type or convert those image to a text and forward it to somebody or add it to a file. Yes, there is a tool on an app that can easily just take a snapshot, scan it, and convert it to text. Yes, seriously, that's the truth. Don't be surprised. Quickly, let's just try something now. So we have our screen, and then we're looking at doing what? Converting an image to text. So quickly, there is an app in the Play Store or an App Store which I want you to download. So just look for your App Store or Play Store as we always do. Click on it, go to your search button, and then type in image to text. Then just click on it. There are quite different forms of image to text. Yes, but you know me, I always go for the ones I recommend. Now, there's one we call image to text. Look at it, said image to text. Here on my phone, I already have it downloaded. But you that you don't have it, instead of the open, you're going to have install. So you install it just like how you do to every other apps. Immediately you are done, then you come to open. Okay, so this is what will appear on your screen if you want to get an image converted to a text. Immediately that is gone, you find this screen with a camera button. Just click on the plus sign or just click on it. This window will show up. This window will be asking you that choose image via gallery or camera. Now, let's talk about the camera. If you choose the camera button, then it means that you are now going to take a photo of the image and convert it to text. The output remains the same. But I want to take you through gallery. Do you know why? Because mostly we mostly have images that we receive or take snapshots. So where we find ourselves, someone sending us images or we are taking a snapshot, we may mostly have the files in our gallery that we want to convert. So that is what I want to take you through. With the camera button, it's quite easy. So click on your gallery, and then as you know, an option will ask you whether you want to choose from gallery. Just go to yes, choose. Now, I want to convert an image to a text. So in my folder, I have different albums. So I go to a folder called receipt. Now, this is a receipt, but this is an image. It's a JPEG. You understand me? Now, this is when I convert to a text. Look at it. When I click on it, nothing is moving because it's static and it's an image. So I just click on the mark sign up there on my right corner, and then you see all these boxes around it, like the crop boxes. I come down, then I click back on the acceptance, which is the correct sign or the mark sign. Then I accept it. Now see what has happened. You see, I'm scrolling up and down. Now when I click, have you seen there's a cursor in front of it? It has clicked. When I click on the end of the letter E, invoice, it has clicked. What it means is that the image has been converted to a text. Remember, look at the top, this place. This is where the image is. Now it has converted it into a text. How do you want to be sure if it has really converted? If you come down under this window, we have the copy sign, we have the share sign, and then we have the mail sign. When you click on the copy sign, it copies the entire thing onto your clipboard. If you want to share it automatically, you can just come to the share in the middle button and then click. It gives you option. How do you want to share it? I don't want to share it anywhere. I want to copy it into my notepad. So just click on the notepad on the top right corner, and automatically see everything on the image has been placed here in the form of text. Look at that. Look at it. Even I can add something to it. See, good. So all this have been added to your, has been extracted from the image as a text. Look at it. So my guys, this is how you can convert an entire image into a text. So if somebody should send you a file which is in an image form and you want to type it and add to a file or send to somebody, hey, don't bother yourself typing everything. Just use a scanner, image to text, and then you'll be good to go. Thank you very much for this section, and this is your techie, Caesar A. Ashong, for your tech bit. Like I said, follow, like my page, share it. If you want to learn something more advanced, I have tutorials on my YouTube page. It is attached. A link is attached to my TikTok page. Just click on it, or just go to YouTube and just search Caesar the Techie. You will find videos, tutorials on ICT or IT tutorials, lessons that you can learn and you will be able to use. Thank you. I'll see you again.